Now let's jump into compositing. Node, here we go. Use nodes. Delete this render layer with X, then add movie clip there. Then add your movie clip. Shift Control click to view your background, then V to zoom out, and Alt V to zoom in. Here, add key node, and edit right in the middle of a movie clip and viewer node. Now choose color that you will be keying. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add alpha under converter between keying and viewer node, just to smooth things. Now you see we took out the blue screen. Now on our next video I'm going to show you how to actually get rid of everything that is around and adding some material 3D things and moving your camera. Thank you for watching.